Ladies and gentlemen, you know, Adebi assembly or honor na say ya can. You be honor on Tiasie. Obi be say be ya guru bi keke. And e koso go man. O man e say, what ko school wi? O ko pay juma. Ejuma na wo ko pay no so no. Just ye no beda ansa na ye nya ya juma ma. Enu ti nen wutumu say companies bebre ho no a omu bia enche na ejuma na gu. Adenti because one ye ni omo ye di omo hye adwuma no omo ye adwuma no wotumu say they are not qualified to do the work omo kotena ho no mo omo nya hwe report beba zero nti aba ne sara na mo say adwuma obi be say ni sika aka say o ye adwuma o pe adwuma ana say obi si adwuma wo ma ga na mu hanom no wo be hu na adwuma na collapse adenti a obi a ye di na si adwuma na no so onye ambassador na say representative ma adwuma no oni pa kono o kwako pay adwuma so na oni pa kono so catch you say me person me no wota in fact asem we ya abofo impenifu managers amode that companies anu a mu yes anwuma we mu hwe yo na nye ne Mr. Adams wonim nti asem me buafu ba asem ras ha
asem papa
nti sesi a efutuo ben na wode ma ya van say youth ewo man mu a o ma wi school o mo pay adwuma no then asese o ko pay adwuma ye se age ye no gude ofutu ben na wo de be mo mo mreti a aka ye ofutu ben na wo be mo mo
asem ba mi ofutu kakra be ma anuanom ana mi nuanom me sa me kan mi nuanom ene se omo hwe omo so yi se bi o ko pay adwuma no no nipa se o no obeda eno nkire se uwiase no apem wa
good
utimi gya adwuma no
good
kwotena se
good
fa ho mawurade pompaye nyame na ka be kyerɛ aboa ye fa ne den aboa fɔre kakra me ka kyɛ me nuanom
all right Mr. Adams me das ye obahema see ya Mr. Adams akanede afutu ben na wo edema one like mmemu a ye afi na ye ba be pay adwuma ye wi school ye ba be pay adwuma na futu ben na wo dem on afutu ben na ye mmemu a afi no mo wi school a omo kwako pay adwuma afutu ben na wo dem on sisi ya wo pay adwuma ye si age wo ne obi dey afutu ben na wo dem on say omo copy film nchen
the futu kakra bi and futu ketu bi na be mo say so ko pay adwuma na won sa anka bia
good
offer ensa no adwuma wo
thank you
ya provide wa wo de kakra bi obenye hwe omo moton pure water omo moton ice cream fine yogurt ni say no
oh traffic
omo nyeskapa omo ska
thank you
obi ti kwa de esidan offer wa won sa no adwuma ye mu ni kwase ada
thank you
ntu ya brantie ana baba wa wasiso madam utino betimi di ade aso no ato ade nyankopon mo sa akwa no ana wo ye bema nso a offer ade na wo amanfo bo kan tomato ko yin fosu no nsi omo nwo nye fensi omo
thank you
offer wo sabeko wa no
thank you
nyame adom wo sabeko wa no amanso ko aba bi wo company
and I was asa frankrofo
mo
ba wo de won yes ade no thank you all right so this is TV in a car, and as you can see, as the host SUR here, and as this is my guest of today, Mr. Adams and Obahema, the Queen. I say topic in any idea, man. Then and I walk a phone. Compared to my yes, no better. And Madam Queen say, Massa, we are bear man. I say, compared to my yes, see a farmer. Won't see you be or walk and tamantu. Je bibi, uko school, nuku see bibi. It's fire to man. Mr. Adams say nyame ankasa ebe kire aboa ya fa na mo afode men wi se wo pay adwuma na se yesi ye no beda na no kire se eyi unim minimum am bi Mr. Adams unim minimum am bi misiman woman bi me oba mi nchen na me ni di nkomo about certain things no ka show me say ene o ye adwuma wo hotel because of one thing na me say say dia occasion say omulie school no mo ye na for 4 5 ema 5 na oba kun wanyi si no de oye young wo mukura na fe wanya 22 years 22 nu ene omo da kam wanyi adwuma oye Yasamano apartment like every month be a yeah, what you say? Maybe say a banison on 1 year on 1 year, catching is a time on what compared to man. Manager catching say use what you have to get what you want. This is a bullshit thing. And the essence say on 1 year's idea meeting and then on 1 year tomorrow hotel. In a son and down for no young on a on year tomorrow. Now, besides, say, what a juma winning. In this year, into the American, I say, will be a juma and 10 as why. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to continue. If you announce who or more, our person will come. Say them Facebook pages, social media pages, and I'm media to one. Uber to me, I send it the other. You become myself. And this is about okay. And then, sure, I'm Gustino, and one SURE talk show. That's a secure talk show. And it's my guest, Mr. Adams, and then Queen Asante. Queen was say, right? Sorry, I don't want to spoil your name. So, see you, Mr. Adams. What's your final word? Yeah, cool.
I don't have much to say.
Good.
Na mini bibiri so ameka. Kakra na ya kanwa tie fo mfe mom kotugem. Na mfe ntomfo. Me na wase bibiri.
All right. Auntie Queen. Yeah, cool. We final word.
Emeka che amanfo ina say. Mu mama adwenda na mu nsu anyansa.
Good.
Nyansa de enyi nipa ba ko 14. Ye nyina e wo nyansa ti su nyansa. Emo obi nchi nyansa. Media.
Thank you. So, that's we come to the end of the show. Let me say a very big thank you to my crew and also my guests, Mr. Adams, and then Auntie Nidine also Auntie Sister Queen or say and I don't know, and then my crew, my cameraman Henry Edna Onomo, Pasulu L, and don't forget Sheila, Mr. Brio, Ubia. I want to say a very big thank you to you all, and then ACS director, Mr. Solomon Opong. Hey, me Philip around. Thank you very much for making this show big, and see you another time. See you. Bye bye.